I don't know who you're talking about. Who's that from?
Your buddy.
My buddy who?
Your buddy that works for you at
You think?
the crazy one. Oh, Mr. Up.
Who?
Mr. Up.
That should say Volvo on it.
That is a real truck. This is where it's all at.
I don't think so. I think that's just have an asterisk with
Huh?
with the word Volvo below it.
No, 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 no. That's what they.
This is like Christmas, ain't it?
I got your dialed in here. How's that? How's that look there, Mr. Oak?
Looks like a Volvo hat to me.
It says Autocar. You want me to go out there and stand beside that Autocar with this on?
No,
You sure?
I'm waiting for the scrap man to come pick it up. Any day now. Yeah. Say goodbye.
Goodbye. Thanks a lot, Tim.